So see, this is my file ID name city 1 Praveen Hyderabad. So 2 Kumar Chennai. So before that, tell me we are working for what projects we are working for? Data migration project. Tell me what is data migration project meaning? Tell me what is data migration project meaning?
Put the data. Complex
Data
task.
movement from one data source to Snowflake.
Moving data from
Okay.
one data source to the Snowflake.
So moving. Okay, see the same thing. So moving the data from one data source to Snowflake. Tell me what exactly we are trying to move.
Tables, views, functions.
Tables,
Okay,
views, function.
tell me. So see, moving data from one data, so nothing but what? So we are trying to move the tables. So views, functions, and procedures.
Procedure.
Okay. So tables, nothing but what tables contains. What exactly? Suppose see, my table is there in Oracle database. So what exactly we are trying to migrate? First, we should migrate what? The table. Directly we try to migrate table. Table definition. Nothing but the DDL script. Okay. So then what we'll try to migrate the data. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail. As of now, understand what? As of now, understand only this functionality. So we are trying to migrate the data. Okay, so let me try to take the data. So this is my data. Okay, let me save it. And so this is my data. So this data I want to get into Snowflake. So see, requirement is that what? So this is my table data. So this data I want to get here. Where in my where here into my Snowflake table. First, what I want to create? Tell me. First, what I want to create? First, what
Table.
I want to create? Create a table. Tell me first what I want to create. I want to create a table. Okay, see, this is the database selected. So schema selected, raw schema. So tell me, I don't want fail safe. What I should create? What type of table I should prefer? Hmm. Tell me, I don't want fail safe. What I want to create?
Transient.
Transient or temporary table. So and also I don't want time travel also. Then, hmm, tell me, I don't want time travel. What I should do?
Retention time equal to 0.
So see, while creation or while doing after creation, we can do. Hmm, So we can do at this point of our time. Okay, we can put so data retention. So you should guys need to prepare running notes after completion of every session. Okay, these are important. Now tell me now we are trying to create transient table with the zero retention time. Okay, so table has been created. Now see the data, select star from EMP. Okay, see control enter. Now see what happened. See table is, so as of now what happened? Table is there. So table is there, but data is not available. Tell me where is my data? Where is my data? My data sitting here. Okay, so sitting. So now what happened now? So see, understand. So listen carefully, important topic. So this is my table. Okay, so this table, what I want to do. So I want to get into my okay, so table, Snowflake table. Okay. So this is called as what, tell me? So three columns, three columns. Okay. So this data I want to get here. Tell me this is what? What is this concept? What is
Migration.
Migration.
data loading? So data loading. So we are taking the data and loading into Snowflake. So this is data loading. So data migration only, this data migration. So first table is there, then we are trying to migrate our data. This is called as data loading into Snowflake table. See, now table is created, refresh. Now where exactly we created? In the DBT development database, in which schema? RAS schema. Okay, RAS schema. So click on, so see tables. So refresh. See now how many records are there as of now? Tell me. So see, we can able to see no records are there. So click on three dots. Okay, so three dots. So this is important. So go to the database, schema, tables, click on three dots, place name. See, this is database name, the schema name, the object name. So because in real time we'll have multiple databases, multiple schemas will be there. Now tell me this is called as what? Tell me database name, schema name, and object name is called as what? Called as fully qualified name. So fully qualified name. So the database name, the schema name, the object name. So because so we are pointing to this database, this schema, this object. Same thing, go for third options, three dots, copy name. So put the name, we can able to copy. So third option, so three, add a column. So see what happened now, see, submit yourself. One second, give me 1 second, please. Now see here what happened now. So see, this is the data loading. We are taking the data and loading here. So here, if you see now, these three options we have discussed. Okay. So three, click the three, place name in editor, copy name. Now see here what happened. Sometimes, so see, star is nothing but what is star here? Tell me. It's a projection operator. It's projecting all the column. Now sometimes what happened? I don't want star. I want to get all the column name. See how to get the column name? See ID, name, city. So we want to write manually. Instead of writing manually, what happened? So see, place your cursor. So three dots, add columns in the editor. So we can able to add the column name. So click on three dots. So view definition. Tell me how to see the definition generally by using get DDL. Same thing instead of doing now, see click on three dots. So, okay, view definition, we can able to see the definition also we can see, okay. And see last option important. So see, load data. So see, this is important. See, as of now, my table doesn't contains any records. Where is my data? My data is sitting in my local machine. So see, click on three dots, load data. So see, browse. So EMP table, open. Next. So we'll see the same thing in detail. So see file format. So what file format it's a CSV. See, Snowflake supports CSV data, JSON, Parquet, Avro, ORC, XML. Okay, see, let me click CSV data. Okay, so we'll see the same thing in detail. So see what exactly we are trying to do. So we are taking the data from the local machine and loading into this database, this schema, this table. This is called as what? Tell me. This is called as fully qualified name and loading into. This is a data loading. So we are taking the file from Snowflake table. We are loading into this database, this schema, this table. So this is called as what? Data loading into Snowflake table. One more time, let me see the records. Two records will be available. Let me truncate. Listen carefully. If you're able to understand, almost like 50 to 60% topic will be covered. So see, so as of now, data is not there. So where is your data? Tell me. Your data is in the local
Local
machine,
system.
local system. So no records are there. So see, click on three dots, load data. So browse. So EMP, open, next. So see now this is what file format. See, we are taking the file and loading into this database, this schema, this table. This is called as data loading. Now tell me, now we require computation power or not? Tell me, any guess? Now if I want to perform anything, we require what?
Computation
Yes.
power.
Computation power. Computation power given by whom? By the virtual
Much.
warehouse. Okay. Tell me now, select the file format. So okay, CSV file format. Okay, see data loading successfully. If any issues, then we can able to. So see, we can able to select whichever. Suppose like I want to select these two columns. We can able to select. Okay. So taking the file into this database in this schema in this table. So with the help of this computation power. Okay, see load. So loaded successful. Okay, so got the pointer. So this is the function. Okay, see, we can able to see three records so far. Okay. Same thing now. What happened? Let me truncate and see the data. So as of now, no records are there. Now instead of comma, control C. Now what happened? Now I'm having hash symbol is there. Okay, replace that. So step by step, we'll try to conclude. Okay. Now I want to load this table data. So click on three dots, load data. So browse. So this is my data. So next. So this is my CSV data. So see, tell me now working. So now tell me now it's working. It is not working. So why? What happened? Tell me now. Now this is a field. This is a field. Tell me field delimiter is what? What's the
Hash.
field element? Hash. Okay. Let me go to the see view options. So field delimiter. Now by default, comma Snowflake is can understand. By default, comma is the understand. Now what happened? Now what we want to go for hash. Hash is there? No. Go for so see. So tab, semicolon, space, vertical bar. It is not. Then what you should go for? Click on where custom and give what is the symbol? Hash symbol. Okay. Now try to load. Working on got a pointer. So this is the functional. Okay, see. So what you should do, suppose see now instead of hash, now suppose see now I am having ampersand. Or you can have vertical bar. Okay. So this is the pipe separate value. Okay, PSV. Okay. Suppose like vertical bar. Okay, let me go here. Let me load. As of now, no records are there. Okay. So click on three dots, load data. So browse. So EMP, open. Next, now what happened? What's the file format? So see CSV or TSV file format. Okay. Now see what happened, why it's working because in the view option, see So see, it is automatically taking. So see, vertical bar. Our custom, we can put vertical bar and try to load. Okay, so this is the functionality. So it is by default it's taking the vertical bar, vertical bar. Okay. So this is the concept. Okay. So here now see one concept. So we can able to go for what? Field delimiter equal to what? Equal to pipe symbol. Okay, same thing. Okay. Now let me go for one more thing. So 3 columns, 2 records. Now I want to load this data. Okay. See now tell me totally how many columns are there? How many columns are there?
3,
3 columns. How many records are there? Valid records.
2.
Tell me.
2, 2.
So two. First one is the heading and it's the summary. So totally how many columns we want to, how many records we want to skip? 2 records. You see what happened? Let me cancel. Let me reload. Load data. Okay, browse. So EMP. Next. Now what happened? So see. So delimited. So CSV, comma separate value or tab separate value. Now see what happened. So data types do not match. See view options. So what I should do? So what's the delimiter? Filter is pipe. So vertical bar. Now again see what happened. It is saying data types do not match. See what happened. See. So tell me we are getting what? So first see. Now we need to go to okay first line contains header. Okay. So skip first line or go to anybody can tell me anybody what we need to do. What do we need to do? So custom.
First line.
How many lines we want to skip? 2 lines.
Set.
No. 2 lines. No. 2 no.
Header plus
2 lines. No. Okay, see, so 2. So I want to skip first 2. Suppose if I put 0, nothing but what? So it won't skip anything. Suppose if I put 1, it will skip the first line. So see, now one more option or parameter. What is the parameter? So skip header equal to 2. If I put nothing but what, tell me, it will skip first 2 lines. Okay, skip header. Okay, so field delimiter, skip header. Now try to load. Okay, see, let me put 2. So see, if you see now, your errors are there. Okay. Now refresh, we can able to get it. Then okay, got the pointer. So this is the got the pointer. So this is the way we can able to get it done. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay, got the pointer. So this is the concept. So load data. So you can able to get it done. Clear so far? So one more option, that is skip header. Now same thing. Now what happened? Suppose see. Now, so see double quotes are there. So double quotes. So from the source system, we're getting double quotes are there. Okay, see now what happened? Now let me load the data. Okay, so see, cancel, load data. So this is my file. See, double quotes are there. Open, go. So we are loading into which database? See, we are loading into emp.txt. See, this is the database name, schema name, and a table. Okay, now see, now what happened? So what is the file format? It's a CSV file format. So see here what happened. So see now what do we need to do? What issue?
hash and dump.
Okay, see now what happened this one, yeah. Okay. Now what happened? See, file limiter, go to custom and we want to go for hash. Okay, reload. So see, 1 second. So it's working, and so see, it's working fine. Okay. Okay, see, this is so far good. But what happened now? See here, if you see this double quotes are there, let me go to this functionality. So now see what happened. See double quote also getting loaded. Okay, you'll see the same thing. Okay, so now see what happened. So see now question is that what, tell me. So by using SQL, I want to remove double quotes. Tell me how to remove double quotes by using SQL.
Replace.
So we can go for replace. So replace what I want to replace.
Double quotes.
Double quotes. Anything apart from replace, anything you can go.
Yes, I think we don't need it.
Using what concept?
Next.
So what I can do? Anyone? Trim will work. Trim.
Yeah.
Trim generally we guys know what. So generally trim will work. See
Yes,
select.
yes.
So trim. So what it will do? So tell me what it will do. Trim. It removes spaces before
Spaces
and
between.
before
After.
and after. Okay. So when I go for here, see trim name. What I want to remove, I want to remove double quotes. So see. So see this is the functionality. See what happened. So trim also will remove spaces or anything only. So you guys know by default remove spaces. Okay. And see what happened. So trim will remove spaces. Now if I put to 0, tell me what happens. Suppose if I put to L trim. Now what it will do? Any guess? Can I able tell?
Left side it will
Like
decrease.
left side trim will.
Left side it removes zeros. Okay, suppose if I put trim, what will happen? Tell me. It remove the spaces. It will remove zeros before and after. Same here
After.
also. What? So say if I don't mention, by default this guy removes spaces. But what happened? We are saying explicitly to remove double quotes. You can go for substring also. We can able to. So tell me now what happened in my table. There are 10 columns are there. Tell me, can I write the candidate trim function 10 times? Tell me.
No.
No, okay. So instead of this, now what happened? If you see, go here. So go here. Okay, escape. So refresh. Now click on 3. See, as of now, see what happened. So see, double quotes are there. Try to load one more time. So loaded data. So browse. So see, if you see this data, double quotes are there. Open. So next to data loading into Snowflake table. So select this. So it's a type. What's the type we are discussing? So type equal to CSV. Okay, so CSV file format. Okay. So then, so go to view options. So see now what happened? What's delimiter? It's a hash and a try to load. So see, this is so far good. Now how many lines we want to skip? Tell me. Okay, see, we can go for header. So skip first line. So skip header equal to 1. Okay, so far good. Then what happened now? I want to remove double quote. See, there is a concept of, so what do you think? So field optionally enclosed by equal to double quotes. Okay, see the same thing. So control V, see field optionally enclosed by equal to double quotes for the pointer. So type equal to CSV, field element equal to pipe symbol, skip header equal to true. So field optionally enclosed by equal to double quotes got the pointer. So field delimiter, skip header, field option equals by equal to double quotes. Okay, so this is one more option. Same thing now what happened, we'll see one more use case. Suppose see what happened. So due to source system, now I'm having the spaces are there. Okay, see spaces. Now this data I want to load. Okay, see, let me So see, now it says CSV file type equal to CSV. Now view options. So see how much I want to skip. So skip header equal to 1. What is the delimiter? Tell me delimiter is what? It's a custom go for hash. So see next time what happened now. See now I want to okay see so double quotes still optional enclosed by double quotes. Now how to remove spaces? Normally tell me in SQL I want to remove spaces. How to remove the spaces?
Trim.
Using trim
Replace.
function. Trim, or you can go for replace. See here, see trim space. See if I put false, see. So see spaces will be there. Okay. Now what happened? So see now. Okay. See what issue? The type's not matched. So see we skip header, no? Okay. Now see what happens. Space also it's taking. Okay. Tell me why data types not match. What issue?
We're skipping the header.
No. Why it's throwing error?
Data type is
Okay.
not matching.
Why it's not matching? See. So if you see no spaces are there, spaces are nothing
It's a
but tell
tab.
me
Yeah.
it's a string, no? It's a number or spaces here. It's a string, no string. That's why. So in the number we can accommodate only number data type. See what happened for this purpose. See so trim space true. So see now it will work without any issue. So see one more option is that what one more parameter is so trim space equal to true. Okay, so type equal to CSV. So field name equal to pipe, skip header equal to 2, the field option enclosed by equal to 1. Okay, now see this is the functionality. Got the point? So this is the concept. So load data success. Now tell me data is getting appended or it is getting, tell me, now see when I see the same thing. Now see here what happened. See data is getting what? What's getting data is getting appended. Okay. So click on three dots. Okay, see load data. So browse. So EMP file, open. Now see next. It's a what? So we are trying to load the data into Snowflake table data loading concept. See. So see there is a concept. Okay, see table loading methods. So see what happened. So data will append it to the existing table with the copy. Nothing but what? Append nothing but suppose like there are 10 records are there. We'll get what? 10 plus 2 records will be there. So what is replace will do? See, truncate and it will be load. Nothing but so table is truncated and trying to load the functionality. So far. Now see what happened. Now tell me, suppose see my file is there. So this file I want to load. Now see here what happened. Now try to load the data, browse. So EMP. Okay, go for next. So what file format? So go to file. Now tell me what happened. So see here you need to understand. Now I want to select this one manual. Tell me every time can we select manual, yeah? Tell me. So it is not recommended. For this purpose, what I'll try to create a one more object. But object is called as file format. Okay, see. So see, create a replace. Tell me who will get the file format? Which guy, developer or admin? Tell me developer only.
Admin.
So create. No, we only Snowflake developer. So tables. So admin will create the databases, schemas, this warehouse, all these things. So we'll create the tables object. So create a replace file format name. So file format name. So see by default, if I don't give anything, no, it will take. It will if I don't give by default, it will create what? It's a CSV file format. CSV file format. One question asked by default. Okay. So but what happened now? I want to create one more file format. So what file format? Now see pipe. So PSV file format. Okay, see now what happened? Type equal to what? Type equal to CSV. How many lines I want to skip? So skip header equal to
1.
1. Okay, field delimiter. Okay, what's the
Pipe.
field delimiter?
Pipe.
Pipe is the delimiter. Now how to remove spaces? So
By
trim
using trim.
space equal to
True.
Okay. Now how to remove double quotes? So field optionally
Optional.
enclosed
Enclosed.
by enclosed by equal to double
Double
quotes.
quotes.
See, file format has been created. Let me refresh. Now see what happened. So we are discussing as of now. So your job will be creating what? Not a database schemas. Okay, we should create the database object. Okay. So as of now, permanent table, transient table, temporary tables created. And one more object, file format. So based on the file format, it will try to create a, see, we are not mentioning anything. So see this file format by default take CSV. So we are mentioning the definition. We can able to see the definition. We can able to get it done. Okay, got the pointer. So now what is the functionality now? Now what? So file format has been created. Now try to load the data. Okay. So load, browse. So emp open. So open next. So see now what happened. So see now instead of selecting what I can do, I can use this file format. Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me yes or no? Yes. Instead of select now, we can go for this file format. Reusability. So remember, so CSV only. Yeah? We should use PSV, no? PSV. Yeah. So like this only. So we don't create, okay, so we don't use the same thing. We'll create 2, 3 file format. We'll try to make it work. Got the pointer? Like this way, you can able to get. Got the pointer? So this is the concept. Same thing, one more use case. Comma. One second, please. Now see here what happened. Let me see control S. So same thing we'll see tomorrow, one more important use case. Okay.
So file format works the same respective database and schema, right? So it won't work another
It won't work.
database. Yeah.
So see, we are selecting now. So see what happened. So it will won't work for other things. Okay. Now see here what happened. This is so far. Okay. So now what happened? This data I want to load. See truncate table. As of now, no records are there. Now try to load. So see, load the data. So browse. So emp. Okay. Let me select the next. So see. Okay, let me go to the CSV file format. So see, this is by default CSV, no comma, so far good. Now tell me totally how many records are there here?
Total 7 records.
7 records. One is header, 7 records. Out of 7 records, which records are valid? All are valid or all are, no are valid? Tell me. So see,
Only
few
3
are,
are valid.
so 3 are valid. Now see here what happened now. So before that, see, as of now, no records are there. Listen carefully. Now try to load the data. So load data. So browse. So emp. So go for next. So go for file format CSV. So by default, take the same thing. Now see what happened. Data types not match. Now see load data. So done. Now see here what happened. Any records loaded? So no records loaded. So here you need to understand one concept. So see while loading the no in file 100 records are there. Out of 100 records, one error record occurred. So while performing data loading, now how many records are getting loaded? Zero records.
Zero.
Nothing but what? If any records are there, no records will be loaded. So functionality is that what? So by default, on error equal to abort statement, meaning that what? If any error occur, what happen? No record will be loaded. But what happen? I want load 99 records. See what happen? I'll try to explain. So go to load data. So browse emp. Now see, look, go for next. So go for the file format. So it's a CSV file format. Now see here what I'm throwing error. Now see here appended, this is fine. So let me scroll down. So control minus. So what should happen if an error is encountered while loading a file? What it means, tell me. So see, so do not load. See, by default, do not load any data on or equal to abort statement. What it means, tell me. If any errors occurred, don't load, don't load,
The data
don't
into
load,
table.
don't load any data into Snowflake. That is by default on or equal to abort statement. Suppose what happened, I want to load only valid data. See what I should do. So go for on error equal to continue. What it means, very, very important question. So by default, if any errors occur, Snowflake will not load any data. By default, on or equal to abort statement. Now what happened now? I want to load only valid data. What I should do now, will get only the 3 records will get. So see totally 7 records out of 7. So 3 are very getting numeric value issue. So this is the functionality. Got the point? So see. Let me go here, escape. So this is the functionality. See now what happened now, we can able to get this same. Okay, got the point. So this is so far good. Okay, 3 records. So on equal to abort statement. Suppose see what happened, let me go to same thing, listen carefully. Now see this data I want to load into Snowflake table. Okay. There's so many columns are there. Tell me, can I create manually? Yeah. Tell me.
No.
So it is not recommended. So see, let me go here. So see, some are having this UI. Okay, if UI is there, now what happened? So go to your database. Okay, so see, go to. So see, let me go to the projects, workspaces. Now what happened? Go to, so any database, any schema. So click on the table. Okay, see. So click here. So here option is there. Tell me. Not there. So click here. So it will, so this option is there, no? So you can go for open in horizontal catalog. So the UI changed. Okay. Now what I need to do, tell me where is option, tell me anywhere its option is there. Anywhere check, anywhere tell me option is there. See where is the loadout data option? See there somewhere it is there. Where? See, you know, load data, load data, same functionality. But so what you need to do, you need to click on your table, your database. Okay, see, navigate. Okay. So see this symbol, you should go here. So you can able. So UI change. Okay, this is workspace. This is we are working for this where it is. It's a workspaces worksheet. So now this is a see it's a what it's a this is called as worksheets. This is the workspaces. Okay. So they change the UI, so you can able to get it. Now question is that what? So what you're trying to discuss? Okay, so this is so far. Now question is that what? No. So now this is my table data. So this is having so many columns are there. Then what I should do? See, click on. So click on any database. So 3 dots, load, or any schema or any table, load data. So see, if you see now what happened, you can able to select whatever the database, whatever the schema you want. Okay. Or else like you can create a new database, you can able to work on. Okay, see, first to browse the file. Where is your file? So copy. So loading files. Now what is our file? Okay. So this is my file. Now what happens? So we can able to select the tables. Which are the tables? Or can go for create a new table and you need to give the, okay, so blink it table. So see, this is the functionality. Go for next. We'll see tomorrow one more time. So see now what happened. So first no. So see what happened. Tell me spaces are there. Tell me, can I have the spaces while columns? We can able to fix it. Auto fix column names. Okay, so we can use underscore load. So we are taking the file and loading into Snowflake table. Before loading out, we are trying to ask Snowflake to create the table and see the data. Okay, so this is the functionality. See now what happened. So see, data has been created successfully. So here your task is that what? So since you know SQL, you need to work on this concept. Okay, so load the data and I want to get the KPIs. What is KPI? So key performance indicator. Tell me how to get the total sales.
Some
So sum function. How to get average by using average. How to
average
get number of items.
count.
Count
Count.
function. Okay, same thing. So how to get distinct unique records by using what keyword? Distinct
Distinct.
keyword. Okay. So same thing. How to get this for this one? Tell me. How to get this one? Tell me. By using group by
Field.
and aggregate functions. Group by now. So group by concept and aggregate. So this is group by. Yearly wise, I want to group by and I want to get it done. Okay. So here same thing in real time also what happened. So based on the Jira tickets, we'll work on this use cases. Got the point. So this is an on error equal to continue, on equal to abort statement. So C type equal to CSV. So see this is the functionality. So but the limitation or drawback is that what tell me? See how much volume we can load? Maximum of what?
250 MB.
250 MB. Tell me, real time get only 250 MB. Yeah? So you'll get more data, no? So you'll get MBs, GBs, terabytes of volume.
It's
Tell me,
more
does
than
it work? We'll go for tomorrow. We'll see one more options. That's what the functional. Got. So data loading. Tomorrow we'll see. So how to load more than 250 MB. And just see if I try to load, no? See browse. We go for so select.
Berlin, how do you generate insert statement? Let's say I want to run I want to add I want to update a couple columns. Add
Come
new
again.
column.
Come again.
I want to add new columns to the
Where?
existing table. I want to create the insert statement to that table.
So see, so what happened now? Suppose see this is your table you're saying. So you want to add a new column, huh?
Yes, I need to insert the statement to insert the new data.
So try to add alter table. Okay. So now what your question tell me?
No, I
So
want to add new data. I don't want to add new column. I want to add new data to the existing table. I need an insert statement. How can I create a new insert statement?
so insert now you need to do manually. There is no other option. You should do manually. So generally we in real time we don't use insert. We'll go for loading concept because there are millions of records are there. We don't get it done. We should make of this by using loading concepts only. We don't do insert. No. I am not getting what you're asking. Come again so that I'll try to help you. So this is my
Okay,
table.
yeah. Let's say